it's Melanie. Welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the beautiful 50th wedding anniversary of my mother and father-in-law. It turned out absolutely stunning. Now, this was a collaboration between myself, my sister-in-law, Valerie Turner, Designs and Events, and Lux Academy. Valerie provided the tables. She provided all of the live florals that were on the family tables. They turned out absolutely gorgeous. It's a mixture of hydrangeas and roses, and the look just came together beautifully. Because it was held on New Year's Eve, we decided to do it in the traditional black and gold and white New Year's colors. And you guys, this could not be more beautiful. I was so ecstatic to find this footage because I had lost this footage and I have been in for a few days and I've been looking through old like memory cards and I came across this and so much more footage that you guys have never seen before. So stay on the lookout for that. So the chairs, we used the gold Chiavari chairs that were provided by my sister-in-law, and then we did the crinkle taffeta linens along with the black and gold napkins, the black vases, and the white florals. You guys, it was so classy and so elegant. It was a black tie affair. We had a band. You in the background, you're gonna see Lux Academy getting everything together. We just had so much fun pulling this look together, you guys. It was so royal and so elegant. On the glass tables, we also use these OBAC chairs that my sister-in-law provided, along with this amazingly beautiful cake. Oh my goodness, look at that. Cake Fetish by Patrice did this cake, and unfortunately, she passed away shortly after this event. We miss her so much, but she did such an incredible job. My cousin Justin did all of the branding for the event, and so we carried that from the menu over to the dance floor, over to the welcome sign, so you could definitely see it throughout the entire event. It was just so beautiful, you all. We also use uplighting on the table. So if you see small uplights on the table, because we use so much white and black, we wanted to be able to illuminate all of that. And so you'll see a lot of like battery operated candles and also a lot of uplighting on the tables along with the dance floor. It was just everything was custom, everything was done so beautifully, and we loved it. We also had a slideshow that just kind of depicted their years together, and it was so much fun. And then over in that corner, we had the metal candle stand and all of the candles lit up, and it also matched the chopa that was around them where they were sitting on the stage. And then we also had the number 50 illuminated with a flower wall from Rose Morning, and all of this seating was the same at every table. And as you can see, the small centerpiece uplight, it just really adds to your centerpieces, especially when you're using like a lot of glass or a monochromatic color. A uplight can really, bend, not bend, but really like make the color pop or separate it um, from everything else. And so you're going to definitely see more uplighting of centerpieces in this season. And that was something I failed to mention in my video about the 26 wedding trends for 2026. So if you haven't checked it out, I'm going to link it at the end of today's video. So definitely feel free to go and check it out. I think you guys are going to really enjoy that as you continue, as we, matriculate into the new year and beyond. And speaking of matriculating, one of the things that I absolutely love with Lux Academy is being able to give them real life experiences on setting the tables and setting up for a real life event. There is nothing quite like it. I also give you all of the basic and foundational things that you need in order to set up weddings and events. So if you are interested in becoming one of my students, I'm going to leave a QR code right here so that you can check it out. Definitely check it out. I would love for you to be a part. And I will also be doing several hands-on classes as well as in-person classes this year. And so if you want to be a part of that, just scan the QR code on the screen and it will take you to all of the classes that I currently have available. So if you aren't able to travel to me in person, there is also a self-paced online course that you can take as well. Now, this flower wall came from Rose Morning Flower Walls, and we put the number 50 on the flower wall so that it would really pop when taking pictures. And it also meshed really well with these faux centerpieces that I provided, along with the dessert table. We also had another cake there. Of course, Rachel did the desserts from Rachel K Designer Desserts and or Designer Desserts by Rachel K, and they were so beautiful. And I love the way that they popped on the dessert table. And the treats were enjoyed by all. Y'all know we love having treats, and they were definitely a huge hit. And I also had, I didn't get the footage of this, but outside I had another ETA, and on that I had like all of the New Year's things like poppers and noisemakers and things like that for the new year. And then on the inside is where we had the actual dessert tables with the cupcakes and the different dessert cups and the cookies that also said Happy New Year. And we also had, oh, these are my favorites. Oh my gosh, they are so good. Rachel makes the best. I'm telling y'all, they are so, 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 so good. And then, of course, we had cake pops and um, just other small chocolate covered strawberries and different things of that nature. So we really enjoyed it. And of course, the wedding cake was absolutely beautiful and delicious. And again, this cake was made by Cake Fetish by Patrice, and so well, she did such a great job, and we really miss her. And so, you guys, here's another look at the dessert tables. As you can see, mix and match like the dessert stands, the black and the gold, to really just make it pop. And I'm looking at this now, and I wish that risers, or I wish I knew about risers at this time, because risers would have been really nice on that table. And so that wraps up my In Love's 50th wedding anniversary. If you want to see more 50th wedding anniversary celebrations, I have these two, the first gold and white one, and then this one was blush pink and navy. So be sure to check them out. I will also link them in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your favorite aspect of this design. I will see you guys at the next one. Don't forget to scan the QR code to learn more information about Lux Academy or to shop this look. I'll see you guys at the next one. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!